fellow kitchen enthusiasts. Are you in the market for a new dishwasher? Well, before you rush out to buy one, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered which dishwasher brands might leave you with more headaches than clean dishes? Today, I am diving into the world of dishwashers to reveal the 4 brands you might want to think twice about before bringing them into your home. We've all been there, excitedly unpacking a new appliance, only to find out it's not living up to our expectations. Well, I've done the dirty work for you, quite literally. I've tested, researched, and compiled a list of dishwasher brands that might not give you the sparkling results you're looking for. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's explore the world of dishwashers you might want to avoid. 4. Omega Dishwashers. Oh, Omega. The name might sound promising, but let me tell you, these dishwashers are far from being the alpha of kitchen appliances. I've had the displeasure of testing several Omega models, and let's just say I wasn't impressed. First off, let's talk about cleaning performance. In my tests, Omega dishwashers consistently struggled with removing tough stains. I'm talking about dried on pasta sauce, baked on cheese, the real challenges of everyday cooking. Time and time again, I found myself having to rewash dishes, or worse, scrubbing them by hand after a full cycle. But the problems don't stop there. Omega dishwashers are notoriously noisy. I'm not talking about a gentle hum. I'm talking about a noise level that makes you wonder if there's a small construction site in your kitchen. If you enjoy peaceful evenings or open-plan living, an Omega dishwasher might not be your best friend. Durability is another major concern. I've received numerous reports from users experiencing breakdowns within the first year of use. Parts seem to wear out quickly, and getting repairs can be a hassle. It's like these machines are built with a planned obsolescence mindset. Energy efficiency. Let's just say your electricity bill might see a noticeable increase. In my tests, Omega dishwashers consistently used more water and energy than comparable models from other brands. The bottom line, while Omega might offer attractive prices, the old saying you get what you pay for really applies here. Save yourself the headache and consider investing in a more reliable brand. 3. Haier. Moving on to number 4 on our list, Haier dishwashers. Now, Haier is a brand that's known for offering budget-friendly appliances, but when it comes to dishwashers, you might want to think twice before bringing one home. I've tested several Haier models, and I have to say, the results were consistently disappointing. Let's start with the washing performance. In my tests, Haier dishwashers struggled with even moderately soiled dishes. Items like oatmeal bowls or plates with dried egg yolk often came out still dirty, requiring a second wash or manual scrubbing. But here's where it gets really frustrating: the drying performance. I found that even after a full cycle, including a heated dry option, many items came out wet. We're talking about water droplets on glasses, pooled water in upturned mugs, and damp plastic containers. If you're someone who likes to unload your dishwasher and put items straight into the cupboard, you might find yourself reaching for a towel more often than you'd like. Durability is another significant concern with Haier dishwashers. I've received numerous reports from users experiencing issues within the first 2 years of ownership. Common problems include faulty pumps, broken spray arms, and malfunctioning control panels. It's worth noting that while Haier offers a warranty, many users report difficulties in getting timely repairs or replacements. Let's talk about noise levels. In my experience, Haier dishwashers are far from the quietest on the market. If you have an open-plan living area or like to run your dishwasher at night, the noise might be a real issue for you. Energy efficiency is another area where Haier falls short. Despite claims of being eco-friendly, I found that these dishwashers often use more water and electricity than comparable models from other brands. This means that while you might save money up front, you could end up paying more in utility bills over time. Lastly, let's discuss the user interface. Many Haier models I've tested have confusing control panels with unintuitive symbols. This can make it frustrating to select the right cycle or options, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. 2. Fisher and Paykel. Now, I know what you're thinking. Aren't they supposed to be a premium brand? Well, let me share my experiences with you. I've tested several Fisher and Paykel models, and I have to say, I was left feeling rather underwhelmed, especially considering their price point. Let's start with their most touted feature, the drawer design. While it looks sleek and promises easier loading in practice, I found it quite limiting. The shallow drawers struggle with larger items like pots and pans, and the overall capacity is less than traditional dishwashers. Now, let's talk about cleaning performance. In my tests, Fisher and Paykel dishwashers were inconsistent at best. While they handled lightly soiled dishes well, they struggled with differ stains. I often found myself having to pre-rinse dishes to get satisfactory results, and isn't the whole point of a dishwasher to avoid that? Drying performance was another letdown. Even with a heated dry option, I frequently encountered damp dishes at the end of a cycle. This was particularly noticeable with plastics and items in the upper drawer. Durability is a significant concern with Fisher and Paykel dishwashers. I've received numerous reports from users experiencing issues with the drawer mechanisms failing, control panels malfunctioning, and water leaks developing. These problems often occur just after the warranty period ends, leaving owners with hefty repair bills. Let's discuss noise levels. While Fisher and Paykel claims their dishwashers are quiet, I found them to be louder than many competitors in the same price range. If you have an open-plan living area, this could be a real issue. Energy efficiency is another area where Fisher and Paykel falls short. Despite their eco claims, I found these dishwashers use more water and electricity than many other brands. This means higher utility bills over time, negating any energy-saving benefits they might claim. The user interface on many models is also problematic. The controls can be unintuitive, and the display is often hard to read, especially in low light conditions. I've had many users report accidentally selecting the wrong cycle due to confusing button layouts. Lastly, let's talk about customer service. While experiences can vary, I've heard numerous complaints about difficulty getting timely repairs or replacements under warranty. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially for a premium-priced appliance. 1. Maytag Dishwashers. As we near the top of our list, coming in at number 2, we have Maytag Dishwashers. Now, Maytag is a brand that's been around for a long time, and they've built quite a reputation in home appliances. However, when it comes to dishwashers, my experiences have been less than stellar. I've tested several Maytag dishwasher models, and I have to say, I've been consistently disappointed. Let's start with the cleaning performance. While Maytag dishwashers do an okay job with lightly soiled dishes, they struggle significantly with differ stains. In my tests, items like casserole dishes or pans with baked-on food often came out still dirty, requiring a second wash or manual scrubbing. But here's where it gets really frustrating: the reliability issues. I've received an alarming number of reports from users experiencing breakdowns within the first few years of ownership. Common problems include faulty pumps, broken spray arms, and malfunctioning control panels. It seems that Maytag dishwashers are prone to wearing out much faster than you'd expect from a major appliance. Let's talk about noise levels. In my experience, Maytag dishwashers are far from the quietest on the market. If you have an open-plan living area or like to run your dishwasher in the evening, the noise might be a real issue for you. I've measured some models at over 50 decibels. That's loud enough to interfere with normal conversation. Energy efficiency is another area where Maytag falls short. Despite claims of being eco-friendly, I found that these dishwashers often use more water and electricity than comparable models from other brands. This means that while you might save money up front, you could end up paying more in utility bills over time. The drying performance of Maytag dishwashers is also a point of concern. In my tests, I often found dishes, especially plastics, coming out wet at the end of a cycle. This can be particularly annoying if you're in a hurry to put dishes away. Now, let's discuss the user interface. Many Maytag models I've tested have confusing control panels with unintuitive symbols. This can make it frustrating to select the right cycle or options, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. Customer service is another area where Maytag seems to fall short. I've heard numerous complaints about difficulty getting timely repairs or replacements under warranty. When you're dealing with a malfunctioning appliance, the last thing you want is to be given the runaround by customer service. Lastly, let's talk about value for money. While Maytag dishwashers are often priced in the mid-range, given the performance and reliability issues, I don't believe they offer good value. There are many other brands in the same price range that offer superior performance and durability. Despite their claims of being eco-friendly, I found that these dishwashers often use more water and electricity than comparable models from other brands. This means that not only are you paying a premium price for the appliance, but you're also likely to see higher utility bills over time. So there you have it, folks. Remember, a dishwasher is a significant investment in your home, and you deserve one that will reliably clean your dishes for years to come. Don't be swayed by flashy designs or brand names alone. Do your research, read reviews, and consider factors like cleaning performance, reliability, energy efficiency, and customer service. Thanks for watching, and here's to making informed decisions for your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone you know who might be in the market for a new dishwasher. Until next time, happy dishwashing!